What's up, tech? It's Josh here, and I want to go over the best camera rig for filmmaking and vlogging. This is by far one of the best ways to rig up your iPhone for filmmaking and vlogging. There's a ton of accessories that you can use with this rig. I've got a few that I want to show you so you can use with both filmmaking and vlogging. Anything I refer to will be down in the video description. The camera cage. This particular cage fits the iPhone 12 Pro, but there's other models that you could choose from. What's great about this cage is the ability to attach a ton of accessory options. There's mounting holes all over the cage, along with 2 cold shoe mounting points. Also on the camera module, you can fit things like the moment lenses. It's pretty simple to get going with sliding the phone into the cage and locking the door latch. The cage alone makes for a great sturdy case too. I mean, the thing is metal. From there, you can start rigging up your cage with mics, lights, handles, tripods, etc. Let's go over a few accessories to get you started. The small rig handle grips. These handles can be used with this rig or actual camera setups. I like these handles because of the different mounting points on top, which allow for more accessory mounting for things like lights and mics. The handles are also comfortable. The small rig tripod. The tripod is great for tabletop uses and going handheld. This tripod features a nice fluid ball head which allows for adjustments and smooth shots. Just a few more recommendations before I wrap this video up. I like to use the Moments camera app because it allows me to manually control the colors, white balance, shutter speed, audio, and other important elements to create a video. It also has anamorphic settings for the anamorphic lens. Happy flare hunting. Most of these accessories don't cost too much to get going, so I'll leave that link down below in the video description. What are your ideas of a perfect camera rig? I think this is a great way to get started. Thanks for watching the video. I appreciate it. Subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any videos from me. And until then, stay techie.